Here I have OUKITEL WP23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. First, let's open settings. Then you should go to the accessibility section, and here you can find TalkBack. So here you can enable it. After that, TalkBack tutorial starts immediately.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack.
So basically this mode is
button.
about it's made
tap to
mostly
activate.
for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen. So for example, you tap on this banner, all this text gets spoken out loud. You tap on any button, everything is the same. So for example, you tap on close and it says
Close button. Double tap to activate.
So what it doesn't mention that you can double tap anywhere on the screen, not specifically on this button. To confirm
Close
it,
tutorial.
so close, double tap.
TalkBack.
So if you want to
Navigate
disable
up
this
button.
feature, you tap here,
Used.
double tap
On.
once again,
Stop. TalkBack
and
on.
that's it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.